Hi everyone. Let's go to our sand table to demonstrate what a swale is and how it works. But oops, when I tried this with the sand table, my sand is too porous, and when I dropped water on it, it just went immediately through and didn't trickle down the hill. All right, so what you see in front of you is flour, just from my kitchen, some all-purpose flour. All right, and we've got my DocuCam set up, and you may not be able to see it on the screen, but there is a desk lamp sitting right here that's pointing across, so I was hoping that that would highlight and make it a little easier to see this very white flour. All right, I've also got a little bit of water, which I have dyed blue so that you can see it a little bit better on the screen. So let's try this out, and I'm going to make a simple slope, higher on the left, lower on the right. All right, and then we will use the principles of cut and fill to create a level area, and that will be right in here. Cut, fill. Oh, this flower works really nicely. I'm still upset about the sand table, though. I was very excited about that sand table. Okay, so we have a slope and we have a level area. And often we are trying to create a level area to place a building. So here is our fabulous building, a little Lego, all right? And it's going to go right in this level area. Now, without any swales, let's see what happens when it rains uphill of our building. Put it here. Shake some of the sand off of that. Okay, let's try it out. It's going to rain. And look at that. The rain runs right down the hill and right into our building. No surprise there, okay? Let's see if we can reset and get rid of some of this rain. Get out of there. Go down the hill. All right. Reset our flat level pad. Okay. Only this time we're going to create some swales. All right. Place our building to protect our building from the moisture coming down the hill. So what those swales do is they come up and around, all right? They're like a drainage ditch, and they come up above our building, all right, and come around and lead down the hill. All right, I got a little bit too much swaling going on here. We need a little more flat area going on. Okay. So let's give a little demonstration here. We're making some blue Play-Doh. All right, and here comes the water. I hope this works. Let's see if it rains up above the hill, or is it going to be caught by the swale? And most of it is. Check it out. All right, so you can see how this tool is used to catch and direct the water from uphill. Looks like we had a little error there and getting a little flooding in our building now. Right? And so it's a stormwater management tool to direct the water, and you would want to make sure that this swale pointed somewhere where you would like to catch the water. Looks like we've got a little retention basin going on down here, and you could make that part of your site design. All right, thanks everybody. That was pretty fun. I've come back because I forgot to point out the signature of this terrain feature. So let's take a look. If we were to cut at one specific height, and remember that's what a contour does. All right, so we're cutting at one specific height across, all right? So slicing in one direction, all right? That contour would come here, and then because the ground dips, the contour moves up the slope a little bit, all right? And then back down, all right, and then around your flat level plane. Then it comes up back down, all right, and across. So that's why the swales look like these fingers that are pointed that are almost cup your flat level area. It's because we are describing the way that this cuts through. Cut through like this. Thanks.